Get ready to step up your shoe game, ladies. In this video, we're counting down the top athletic shoes of 2025 that women can't get enough of. From sleek and stylish designs to cutting-edge technology and exceptional comfort, we've got the scoop on the most popular kicks that'll take your fitness routine to the next level. Whether you're a casual jogger or a serious athlete, you won't want to miss this list of the most sought-after athletic shoes of the year. So, which ones made the cut? Watch to find out. Number 1. The Chaco Z/Volve Sandal blends classic Chaco features like adjustable webbing straps and a contoured loveseat PU footbed with a lighter, softer design that's 20% lighter than traditional models. Built for comfort, durability, and eco-conscious performance, it's the ultralight sandal for all your adventures. Number 2. The VL Court 3.0 low skateboarding shoes are a stylish fusion of vintage charm and modern comfort. Designed with a soft suede upper, these shoes deliver a timeless, classic look that's perfect for everyday wear. Inside, the textile lining ensures a gentle, comfortable fit, while the lightweight cushioned midsole absorbs shock and provides all-day support. The vulcanized rubber outsole not only enhances durability but also adds a retro-inspired aesthetic, making these shoes an ideal companion for campus life, casual outings, or laid-back weekends. With a lace-up closure for a secure fit, these sneakers balance fashion and function effortlessly. Number 3. The Brooks Ghost 16 is a lightweight, breathable running shoe designed for smooth, distraction-free comfort. Featuring nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning, a secure 3D footprint upper, and a durable road-tack rubber outsole with recycled materials, it's perfect for running, walking, or training. Certified carbon neutral and APMA approved, it delivers support you can feel good about. Number 4. Experience all-day comfort with this lightweight running shoe featuring a snug ultra heel and booty upper construction. The synthetic/mesh upper offers breathability, while the fresh foam midsole provides ultra-cushion support. A full-length rubber outsole with endurance in the heel ensures durability and traction for longer wear. Number 5. The Keen Newport H2 Women's Water Sandal combines the breathability of a summer sandal with the protection of a shoe. Featuring a washable polyester webbing upper, siped rubber outsole for great traction, and a secure, supportive fit, it's perfect for hiking, walking, and water adventures. Built for comfort, durability, and sustainability. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.